Hi, my name is Joshua Adigun. I am a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional and a Microsoft Certified Trainer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, AJ Tech House. Today, I'll be talking to you about SharePoint Online Site Administration with a focus on Subsite. So basically, Subsites are a site within a site, or you can say subsite are nested sites, which means a site within a parent site, right? But again, before I show you how to create subsite and how to prevent your users from creating subsite, I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your first time of visiting AJ Tech House. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you very much for always coming to my page to watch my videos. Do not forget to share with your friends and colleagues, and then turn on the notification button so that you can be notified of every new video I drop. So quickly, I go to the SharePoint Admin Center, and then I go to my site. I have a site called All Company. How do I know I can create a subsite, or how do I create a subsite? I can, what I need to do is to click on site content over here, click on, site content, click on new, and then I have subsite here. So I click on subsite. Yeah, so I say, let me give the subsite a name or company, and I say tech team. It should be tech. For the website URL, tech team, let me give it the name like this, and then every thing I leave it the same way. I create a subsite. I click on create. So this should create tech team subsite within the parent site or company. So as you can see here, I have, what's the name? I have the subsite tech. So let me do something. I copy this, I click on edit so I can navigate to the parent site. I click on this link. I paste this here. Boom. We call it parent, and then I click on OK. So I am in the subsite which has /tech. Yeah, so I have parent here. So for me to go back to the parent site, I can click on parent, and then I'm in the parent site. So again, for me to access the subsite easily, I can also click on edit here, click on this plus sign. I paste the link here, and I say tech team. Yeah, I click on OK, I click on save. So I can navigate quickly to my subsite tech team, and then you see it over here in the URL. So next, how do I prevent users from creating a subsite such that when the user comes to site content, right, and they click on new, they are not able to see subsite? I'll go back to the SharePoint Admin Center. I'll click on settings. Under settings, I scroll down to the bottom and then click on classic settings page. It opens a new page, and then I scroll down to site creation. I see subsite creation here. I select disable subsite creation for all sites. I scroll down to the bottom, click on OK. So let's wait for this to finish saving, and then we would go back to the site to see if we are able to create a subsite or not. All right, so this is done saving. Let me refresh. Let me come back to home here. Parent, let me go back to parent, and then I refresh the page quickly. Yes, so I go back to site content, Under site content, I click on new. I no longer have the ability to create a subsite. Thank you very much for coming to watch my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are a new visitor to AJ Tech House. However, if you are a returning viewer, thank you very much for always coming to my YouTube channel to view my videos. Please do not forget to like the videos, share them with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you can be notified of every new video I drop. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.